Back of the building.
This way?
Okay, they're dead back there.
Woo! Motherfuckers! They just called you Bubba. Huh? They just called you Bubba. Woo! It's about fucking time!
Okay.
Yo, I need fucking a bag of BBs or a bottle or something.
Shaw's got mine.
Damn! Do not fucking stand. Load mags if you got it. You are not in combat yet fucking doing something, bro. Powers have gone down. I got another gun for you, head in. Woo!
It's gonna be the scariest outside in the world. They're taking fire from the corner of the bread. Need more! Going back.
Iron. Yo, please. Any more empty mags here? Probably what I just gave you. Probably. Iron. Full. Full.
Because I have 2 of my mags on me right now. I got 1 of them. I'm coming fire. Falling about.
Get happening, man. Just keep fighting. Iron.
Yes.
Well, the one in my gun is good.
So wood pile is out of play, right? We can't go there?
Yeah.
Apparently there are more fucking
There's one guy left in that corner. Can you hit him? No, not the guy with the hand. The other guy lying down. The guy next to him.
Yeah, that's me. Can you fucking shoot that guy? That's the best I can do.
Okay, building.
I got fast mags open on my left side. Telling them.
Empty, guys. I don't know what my shit is. There's 2 mags up there. I don't have any more M4 mags back here.
He's falling. Oh, I know.
Oh, that was different.
I don't know what it moved up to.
Hey, Iron, you got any mags that need loading?
And there's a bunch of ton over here.
Take them back.
I got it.
No, I want in front of you. I can take that back.
He's volleying duties at him. Do you have range on that guy?
Chance, get that 18 mag back.
I don't have it. I'm pretty sure I have range on him, but he's not doing shit about it. Hey, kick those mags back around the side. Bring them back, and if you're out, back up. If you're out, back up and load mags.
When you drop them, toss them at me.
Yep. Yep. Move these mags. Okay, there's more around the front. Move the mags back. Move them back. Move them back so we can load them.
Motherfucker, have some mags.
Fast mags, put them in.
Yeah, we probably open the shit.
2-2 can assault. 2-2 can assault. Anybody who is standing right by the building, go ahead and take it down. Everybody else will fucking fall back.
Reinforce it.
Yo, give me that mag.
If you're standing by and breach it and
You guys fucking owe me feet.
Take that back.
Yep. Over your head.
Yep.
Tiny.
Throw it.
Leave it.
Keep working, boys. Keep working. Those are good. Hey, you got tangles by the woodshed right there. Hey, check it out. Just keep them hold up right there.
Roger that, sir.
Okay.
Distributing.
Yes.
Tony's and Frank. Tony's and Frank. Keep them where they are. Keep them where they are.
Hold it, that's their respawn. If they move out of it though, they're ours.
Left foot.
Tough ass.
Meg!
I'm gonna fucking go. Who's the guy in the building's like?
One behind you. Second on it. Go down.
Dude, you need to
Go
get
down.
it.
Are those full? Yeah, for flake and iron.
Iron. I mean, Clay. Howard.
Yeah.
Hey,
Go get that guy.
freeze!
Okay.
Freeze! You got two guys around the back of the building.
Is this done?
Chuck.
Fucking go get that
No,
guy.
it ain't stopping, dude.
Go,
I'm on your old fucking rack.
Go get me another bottle of BBs.
I'm out.
Pouch, pouch.
Hydra.
Cease fire. Cease fire. 1, 2, 3. Head that way right now. 1, 2, 3. Go. Move.
Bro, I need ammo.
Yeah, coming with you.
Go, 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 go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Keep moving. Don't stand there. Move. Yeah. On that corner over there. Fall it back and hang in, guys.
All right, back.
Take this one.
Roger. Set your foot. Moving.
Pulling back!
All right.
Yeah. Sorry, I can only take them one at a time.
Give me that knife. Yeah, those two. I'll have a gun.
But I'm basically a mobile regen.
Just get back to show, yeah. Powers, you're up. You're up, take him down. I got mags for you.
Any better?
I got one, just changing it. Oh, that's why my fucking crank battery was in there. I'm up.
Move it. Oh, fuck! Get him! Get him! Fucking run! Cover him! Cover him!
Nice, Coffee. I think there's a medic moving to him. Left to right, he's behind the building right now. Never mind. One more entering your kill box right now. Hell yeah.
No, fuck no, hell no! No, that's a bad idea. Stay right there. Hey, we got any guys? I need 4 guys to go down this fucking alleyway and guard that corner down by the river.
Fuck that, I'm on this corner right now.
Guard the corner by the river.
Jess, motherfucker! Pay attention!
Everyone decides to hang back to regen, so.
Yep.
No, hey.
Most likely.
Break off.